claude-code 2.1.221. VSCode gets a focus view that quiets tool noise, and a real bash permission bypass gets patched today. Turn on focus view and Claude's tool activity disappears behind an expandable summary for each turn, with a live indicator showing what's still running. The chat stays clean while Claude works in the background. Zoosh could sneak hidden commands past Bash's permission checks inside double bracket regex conditionals, running code without ever asking your approval. Those commands now always prompt first, closing a real security gap. Background sessions now commit and push as they go, so nothing's lost if a session ends early. They open a draft PR only when the task actually calls for one, and always report back exactly where the work landed. Quick plug, I built a side project called VibeMon. It quietly tracks your Claude code activity, your focus time, your projects, your streak, and turns it into a slime that's yours. It's free at vibemon.dev. That's 2.1.221 wrapped. Stick around, subscribe for the next drop.